Hello everyone. For today I'm gonna share with you the update on my ginger, and nothing actually happened except these two. So this is sprouts, which I found recently, and I was surprised that there was actually two of them. I thought that this is the only one that I saw. There's actually two of them. So I haven't noticed that. And as you see, I let the dried leaves of this ginger plant act as a mulch so that the rainwater will not splash the soil and may cause diseases to the leaves, and it will also retain moisture, which means less watering when I'm busy, and also it will serve as a fertilizer when it decomposed. So what I'm planning to serve as a mulch is the coconut moss or coconut fiber, because that holds a lot of moisture and will also absorb rain droplets, which means the soil won't splash in rainy seasons. So as I said in the last video about this ginger, I might harvest this ginger somewhere near in 2021, summer of 2021. But I think that will be shortened because the weather right now, or the climate, is getting cooler here in my area. So which means the leaves of the ginger might dried also, or kind of like droop, such as this. This is a cause of the wind, by the way. So ginger is actually a tropical crop or grows in hot climate. So that means when it gets cooler, this will like kind of like die or dried up. So I think I may harvest this ginger plant before the year ends. And so far I haven't seen any pests. Okay, we just bring you up. So I haven't seen some pest. Oh, but as you see, there's like broken um leaves or holes in the leaves, but I haven't seen any movement beneath the leaves. So I think it is just a wind. And also I can smell a scent of a ginger, or a smell of ginger when you cut the leaves, because I actually cut these leaves so that it will not be connected with the main plant and eventually transfer some sort of a disease. So that may just be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. If you want to support my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video and learned that this was helpful, be sure to leave a like or maybe share it. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is Satkasha signing out.